Alright, I'm kind of experimenting here. We're going to put fangs on this one because he's going to be a werewolf. So, it's going to go in here like this. And these will get glued in for the top. And then we're going to put 2 in the bottom. So I bore this out. And I drilled a hole in the sides of that stick so we can glue them in when we're ready. So I haven't done this before, so I'm kind of experimenting as I go along here. To see exactly what we want to do. Like this. So one's going to go in there. And we want to put one out here. This way. So somewhere along that, like that. So, and then I've marked left and right on this because they're not exactly the same length. So those will get glued in after we get the mouth and everything formed. But I wanted to get the holes put in so I had an idea of what I wanted to do with that. So we need to do these outside ones. And you see we got this all shaped down. We're going to be working on the nose and the mouth next. But I got to get the teeth how I want them before I cut down on that. So enjoy my videos. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. And this was just a dowel that I used, and I used a pencil sharpener to take these down some. I'll use my Dremel later on to make them go a little better. So we want these out here, like this. We're going to start with, so we can make a hole for our drill so our drill doesn't slip and slide on us. I think that's what we're going to want, is something like that. Set these like this for the moment. Okay. So now we'll take our drill and we'll drill a hole in here. Here. So something like that. that goes in here. And that's what we want. So, let's see. Let's stick this one in here for a second. See how we look when we put it in together. Okay, I think that's what I want. So that's what we're going to work on. So now we can shape the mouth. So that's going to be those two. And then we'll take these. And we'll make them a little bit longer, so we can cut back on them if we need to. Don't fit quite right. So we're going to make this a B. So we can keep them which side they go on to fit right. This one here is marked right and left for the upper teeth. These here are going to be marked B, A and B for the lower part of the teeth. So we're going to work on that, and then we'll be back with the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. Thank you.